Are you tired of needing a separate tool for massage, Gua Sha, and trigger point? Well, I have the ultimate solution for you with this tool that I got from LifeChill. I am really big on doing reflexology. This tool is perfect. Not only can I use part of it to just massage different areas of my foot, but having the trigger point is really key. I can hone in on those crunchy areas, hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then massage away, and what a difference it makes. Also, I'm all about the Gua Sha because I'm getting older, so I want to help to defeat gravity, pulling my face down. This works perfectly for Gua Sha also. And then, of course, for regular muscle tenderness or deep tissue massage. I'm not kidding. This is like the Swiss Army knife for massage. And I can't believe the price on this. This is such a good deal for something that you can use in so many different ways. It has a nice heft to it, so you don't have to apply a lot of pressure, and it has that nice thumb saver area too when you're doing massage. This is a high quality tool. You need it in your arsenal, and that's my point of view.